Hello, fashion lovers, fashionistas all over the world, beautiful ladies, handsome men. Welcome to Fashion Craft, a YouTube channel where we'll be showing you different videos about trendy, latest designs about fashion, using different fabrics and styles and design all over the world. But this video, as you can see so far, is based on Ankara designs, for the ladies. You can see, as you can see in the video, Ankara is being used worn by different beautiful ladies in this video, and look so gorgeous on them. This is the design. This video is going to be able to make you choose any form of design you want, whether from Ankara you want. Just relax and enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like this video, as well as share this video, and as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel.